Hello, this is Kevin from Inequality. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your sample rate settings on a Mac. Sometimes, unknown to you, other software will adjust your sample rate settings. In the spotlight up in the top right hand corner, I'm going to type in audio MIDI, and this brings up audio MIDI Setup. So I open that up and I select the audio device which I'm using, which in this case is a Yeti stereo microphone, and we change this to 48,000 Hertz. Be sure to change the settings for both the input and the output device. You may have noticed a slight jump in the video, and that's because when you do change audio device settings whilst using them, it causes the audio to fail, which is why I've had to make this video in two parts. Now that I've changed the settings for my input and output device, I'm going to change the other devices as well. Even though I'm not using them, it's good to have all the devices on your machine set to the same rate, and I should do the same for all these other devices also. Once you're happy that you've changed the sample rate on your devices to 48,000 Hertz, which is the preferred sample rate for ipDTL, be sure to reload ipDTL so that it's now using the new settings. Thanks for watching.